Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Gawfolk 32-inch gaming monitor, a curved computer monitor that offers a unique blend of style and performance, making it perfect for gamers and professionals who need a high-quality display for their home, office, or dormitory. The Gawfolk monitor stands out with its 1800R curved screen, 165 Hz refresh rate, and VA screen technology, making it an excellent choice for those who want an immersive viewing experience. Let me break down the specs. The Gawfolk 32-inch gaming monitor features a 32-inch display size with a curved VA screen, offering a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, also known as FHD 1080p, with a brightness of 300 nits and a refresh rate of 165 Hz, which can be overclocked to 180 Hz. The monitor has a response time of 5 milliseconds and a pixel pitch of 0.272 millimeters, with a horizontal viewing angle of 178 degrees and a vertical viewing angle of 178 degrees. It has two HDMI ports, one display port, and one audio jack, with a power consumption of 45 W and a weight of 6.5 kilograms, with dimensions of 730 by 430 by 200 millimeters. The monitor has a tilt adjustment range of -5 to 20 degrees and a swivel adjustment range of -30 to 30 degrees, with a height adjustment range of 100 millimeters. The Gawfolk monitor also features a blue light filter and a flicker-free technology, with a low input lag of 4 milliseconds and a high dynamic range of 1000:1. The monitor is compatible with NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync, with a power save mode and an auto-adjust brightness feature. The Gawfolk 32-inch gaming monitor comes with a range of software features, including a customizable on-screen display, with a variety of gaming modes such as FPS, RTS, and RPG, with a built-in speaker system, with a power button and a menu button, with a 3-year warranty and a dedicated customer support. The monitor is made of high-quality materials, including a metal stand and a plastic body, with a sleek and modern design, available in two color options, black and white. The Gawfolk monitor has a VESA mounting option with a 100 by 100 millimeters mounting pattern, with a Kensington lock slot and a cable management system. The monitor is certified with a range of standards, including TÜV, CE, and FCC, with a RoHS compliance and a WE compliance. The Gawfolk monitor is compatible with a range of devices, including PCs, laptops, and gaming consoles, with a plug-and-play feature and a user-friendly interface. In real-world use, the Gawfolk 32-inch gaming monitor offers excellent performance, with a fast response time and a high refresh rate, making it perfect for fast-paced games and video editing applications. The monitor's curved screen provides an immersive viewing experience, with a wide viewing angle and a high contrast ratio. The monitor's brightness is sufficient for most environments, but may struggle in very bright rooms. The monitor's build quality feels solid, with a sturdy stand and a durable body, with a smooth and responsive on-screen display. Real-world reviews praise the Gawfolk 32-inch gaming monitor's excellent color accuracy, with a high contrast ratio and a fast response time. Reviews also praise the monitor's sleek and modern design, with a durable build quality and a range of customization options. However, some reviews criticize the monitor's limited adjustability, with a limited tilt range and a limited swivel range. Some reviews also criticize the monitor's speaker system, with a low volume and a lack of bass. The Gawfolk 32-inch gaming monitor is available for around $250, which is an excellent value considering its features and performance. If you want a high-quality gaming monitor with a unique curved design and a range of advanced features, the Gawfolk 32-inch gaming monitor is an excellent choice. With its fast response time, high refresh rate, and excellent color accuracy, this monitor is perfect for gamers and professionals who need a reliable and high-performance display. Link in description. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Thanks for watching.